The origins of mindfulness meditation. Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to take a fascinating journey back in time to explore the history of mindfulness meditation. Knowing the origins of this practice can help us better appreciate its benefits and evolution over time. Mindfulness meditation originally comes from ancient traditions, primarily rooted in Buddhism. About 2500 years ago, in what is now India, meditation was developed as a way to understand the mind and how it affects our overall well-being. Buddhists used meditation to deepen their understanding of life's teachings and to cultivate a clear and calm mental state. This practice was not just about relaxing the body, but about gaining insight into the nature of existence and achieving a deeper state of peace and enlightenment. Over the centuries, meditation practices spread from India to other parts of Asia, including China, Japan, and Tibet. Each culture adapted the techniques to fit their own spiritual and philosophical beliefs. In China and Japan, for example, meditation became a key practice in Zen Buddhism, focusing heavily on seated meditation and mindfulness in daily activities. Perhaps meditation did not reach the Western world until the 20th century. Pioneers like Thich, Nhat, Hanh and Kabat-Zinn brought these practices to the West, emphasizing mindfulness as a way to reduce stress and improve mental health. Today, mindfulness meditation is practiced worldwide, across different cultures and religions, or even without any religious ties. It's used in schools, hospitals, and workplaces to help people manage stress, enhance focus, and promote overall well-being. People of all ages and backgrounds are now discovering how just a few minutes of meditation each day can make a significant difference in their lives, providing clarity, calmness, and a deeper understanding of their own minds. As we have seen, mindfulness meditation has a long and diverse history spanning thousands of years and many cultures. From ancient Buddhist monasteries to modern-day classrooms and clinics, it continues to be a valuable tool for personal and community growth. Thank you for joining me in exploring the history of mindfulness meditation. If you have not started yet, now is the perfect time to begin your practice. Wishing you peace and clarity on your journey. See you in the next video.